Good afternoon. Here we're going to replace these old, well, they're 17-year-old stops on CPVC. They got a vinyl washer on them, and first time we turned them off they leaked. So we're going to replace all three in this bathroom before we lay the floor in here. So we're getting water on the floor. We're getting water on a brand new floor. So this is what we bought as a solution. Male adapters. We'll glue those on the CPVC, and then we'll put some 1/2-inch female iron pipe by 3/8 compression. But before we do anything, since we're draining down the house, I'm gonna go in here and turn the water heater off. Do that, this one right here. Just in case I suck air back into that water heater, you don't fry the new elements in our water heater. Alright, so we're going to turn the water off, and then open a faucet outside that's lower than that toilet stop, and see what we get drained back. We know the hot water is going to drain back quite a bit. Alright, so I'll be back in a minute once I turn the water off and drain it down. Thank you for watching. Alright, we have these stops cut off. And what I did is I took a little piece of sand cloth and sanded off like old paint and any kind of thick glue remnants off the pipe. And then we're going to prepare these first before we glue them on with some Teflon tape, and then thread them into here real snug. And I see a lot of you using this out there too, using Teflon and pipe dope, but you can't use pipe dope on plastic. It won't work. Yes, it'll seal the threads, but 10 years down the road when you want to replace this stop or work on it, you try to take this apart, and many times you'll just break this CPVC male adapter off because the pipe dope will seize between the plastic and the metal. So I don't use any pipe dope on plastic fittings. Now if you're going between old galvanized to brass or gas pipe, yes, you're going to use your pipe dope, metal to metal. No plastic fittings. And then we'll prime everything and glue them up, and then wait 2 hours and we can turn the water back on. And then normally I would use these kind of cutters to cut the CPVC, but I wanted to get close as I could, as much pipe as possible, so I used my mini hacksaw. And you can see in this one, the washer is gone. All you see is the end of the stem. Not this one. Yep. This one. And this washer's all chewed up too. Oh yeah. You can see it in there. See it come off the end of the stem. And that's what happens with these old vinyl stops. They're just, the washer's just pressed on, and then it won't shut off again. Okay. Alright, we're going to put this together and we'll show you what we have after I glue them all up. Alright, thank you for watching. Alright, and the stop's glued on. Teflon tape. And you might be wondering why. Well, they make quarter turn stops with this same setup with the glue insert and male threads in the female adapter. We don't have the stress of the plastic. So yeah, we tried to go buy some, and we needed 3, and they only had 1. So this is what we have to do. In a pinch, you have to make do with what they have at the store sometimes. But So eventually we'll replace there's 3 under the kitchen sink and 3 in the other bathroom. We'll replace all those too as we go on through the house. There you go. Yeah, 2 hours from now, we'll use the water back on. And then once we purge the air out of the system, then we will turn the water heater back on. Alright, thank you for watching and have a great day.